understand. I need to see your hands.
See my hands. He stabbed.
All right. Where's he stabbed at?
He stabbed. He need an ambulance.
Where's he stabbed at?
Mira, aquí.
143. I do have one male stabbed in the abdomen. Okay.
Can you let me take him?
No, we got a squad coming. Okay.
Are you behind the building?
Abre la puerta, abre la puerta, abre la puerta.
Step back.
Ábreme esa puerta. Look, ábreme esa puerta. Si quiere.
143. He's inside of a vehicle in front of the taco stand. He's going out of consciousness. Get back! Are you stabbed?
Somebody. Look.
Okay.
122. Get picked up.
A lot of people smoke weed.
I understand.
A lot of people. Look.
I'm not worried about the weed, man. I'm not worried about the weed. We gotta help. I have to. Take your jacket off. Get back.
His guns are right there.
I understand. Take your jacket off for me, okay? Take your jacket off. Take your jacket off. I need to use your jacket. I need to use your jacket. I need to use your jacket. Take it off. Get back! I'm not worried about the weed. You need to get back. Get back. Get back. I'm not worried about it. Hold on. I need you to get everybody's driver's license out, okay? Here. Hold on. Here, we need to apply this on his abdomen, okay? Press that really hard, okay? Press that really hard. Do you know who did this? Hey, listen to me. Do you know who did this? Okay. We need to know who did this. We need to know who did this. Okay? Do you speak English?
Yeah, I do.
Who did this to him?
I don't know. We don't know.
Okay. Do you know someone that knows?
Everybody left. I don't know who did that. But you think he good? You think he good?
We need to know who did this to him.
We don't know who did that. How about if we don't know who did it? How about if we don't know who did it?
Okay, can you go ask? Go try to find somebody.
But if we don't know who did it, what's going to happen to him? Yo sé que no. If we don't know what happened to him,
okay, can you try to ask? Try to find out.
She said she's seen who did it, but she don't know.
Okay, I need you to try to get a description from her, okay?
My question is, sir, excuse me, sir, my question is, if you don't find out who did it, what's going to happen to him?
We need to get him help first, okay? Try to get a description from her. Speaking Spanish to her, try to get me a description, okay? Can you ask? Hey, stop screaming. Ask him in Spanish who did this to him.
Ezequiel, que si tú sabes quién hizo eso.
Olvídate de eso, olvídate de eso.
We need an ambulance.
They're on their way. Hey, they're on their way. Do you not want to